Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. Adding vendors is the foundation for clean expense tracking, smooth bill payments, and accurate reports. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the Expenses and Pay Bills area. This takes you to the part of QuickBooks where all your outgoing money lives. If your setup looks a little different, no worries. What you're looking for is the place where you manage expenses and bills. Quick note before we continue. In QuickBooks, vendor and supplier mean the same thing. Depending on your view, you might see the word suppliers instead of vendors, but they refer to the same records. Open the supplier section to see your list. This is your central roster of the people and companies you pay. Next, select New Supplier to create a new record. From here, click into the highlighted fields and fill out the details you want to track. Start with the supplier's display name, the exact name you want to see in your lists and on transactions. Then click into the company information fields to add the legal name and business address. Accurate names make it easy to search later and help avoid duplicates. Move down to contact details and add an email and mailing address for bills and purchase orders. If you work with a specific rep, include their info in the notes so it's easy to find. Next, set the default payment terms. Things like net 15 or net 30, so QuickBooks can automatically calculate due dates on bills. If you receive statements with an account number, enter that in the account field so payments are matched correctly. If you track tax details or need to prepare year-end forms, toggle the relevant tax settings for this supplier. Take a moment to review what you've entered. Consistent, complete records save time later when you enter bills and match bank transactions. Clear contact info also helps when you need to send purchase orders or follow up on statements. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be returned to the suppliers list where your new supplier now appears and is ready to use on bills, expenses, and purchase orders. That's it. You've added a vendor in QuickBooks quickly and correctly. Keep the same process for the rest and your expense workflow will stay organized. Thanks for watching.